In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix NBA app not working. So if NBA application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Now what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is search for NBA. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for NBA and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now you should be able to use your app, but if your app is still not working, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for NBA and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the cache will be cleared. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your app will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. In that case, what you have to do is restart your device. For that, you can long press on the power button, or if you're using the Android devices, you can scroll down from the top of your screen. Now tap on the power icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Once the device is restarted, the temporary software glitches can be fixed. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix NBA app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.